Ay, mana ampi.
All you need is my pain. Nothing in between. Never met your love. When you were born, it was thunder. Fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, rain. Come and ease this obsession. Full forest is
Dumelang bakgethwa, dumelang the chosen generation, dumelang bao ba kgethileng ke ntate Modimo, those who are set apart, bao ba kgethileng hara ditjhaba-tjhaba. Bakgethwa ba ka, I'm just here to open this vlog. Today it's Sunday. We're from church, but I have an appointment. I have 2 clients. It's a week. Spirit of praises God. Guys, I'm so excited. Like, you guys won't understand why I'm excited, but will understand why I am excited. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Pali Samutamai, and thank you for coming in here. And if you're a returning mokgethwa, thank you so much for your love, thank you so much for your time, thank you so much for your consistent support, and most importantly, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you're still watching out of the club, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and be part of the chosen generation. Let's go do business.
My mood always convince me that it's bad. With every emotion that I had, but you don't care. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Oh my God, it's so strange. You're right. I got you sent from miles away. It's a freeway to outer space. If you give me it, baby, I swear that we'll be alright. I'm asking to save it all over again. I'm asking to save it all over again. If we were a movie, then how would it end? But you don't care. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. It's so strange. If we decide that we're good, wanna see you crying too. Know it means something to you. If you got plans to let me go, please don't let me know. If you got plans to let me go, please don't let me know. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Oh my God, it's so strange. You're right.
Beneath the stars, beneath the skies, in darkest darkness or brightest light, I'm calling out for you. fire. When I feel hopeless, you're by my side. So I'm calling out for you. I'm calling out for you. All my plans start to come undone, and there's no one there to see me through. When all my strength has been overcome, and there's nothing left for me to tell the truth. I'm calling out. When I am strong, when I am weak, if I feel forgotten, you remember me. I'm calling out.
Sorry.
Calling out. When I am empty and all dry, when I feel lonely and I'm not enough, I'm calling out for you. I'm calling out. When all my plans start to come undone, and there's no one there to see me through. When all my strength has been overcome, and there's nothing left for me to do but tell the truth.
Dumelang bakgethwa, dumelang the chosen generation, dumelang ba ba kgethileng dintatemodumo, those who are set apart, bao ba kgethileng hara ditjhabatjhaba. Bakgethwa, today it's Tuesday and I'm trying this Vlogtober thing. I actually wanted to post 2 videos this week, but I don't think it's going to be possible. But we're going to have a travel vlog on Friday. Leboni ke tsoisa ngwana for ba mo phieza. Even ngwanyana lile. But hey, no until I want to be upload a few. I'm just here to show you. What's wrong? Oh, I'm just here to show you my little sister bought me. Did you the spice what? I'm not sure. Did you the spice in? Get a more on a did the spice in. God, please, you know. So she bought me this when I went town, and this beautiful flower. I just love the towel. So I just wanted to show you guys, because before she bought me this, I used to use these. I was using this to pack my spices. But the one. So at least now I've got these. So it's on to be in order. Boy. Yeah. So let me quickly show you guys from La Dijon. So this is how they look, and I love the fact that they are named Wabo. So we have chicken spice. It's nice. Boy, please go to Dada Bobita. And we have mixed hairs. I just
as the wind blows and the world turns, I know that I've got my footing. I found a solid ground in you as I follow in your footsteps. I know where my help is coming from. No matter the storm, just like Peter, together we could walk on water. And just like Jesus, I have direct lines to the Father. I'll remain in you, Lord, and all I do, I'll remain in you. 'Cause you're my shelter, anchor, stability. Friends are fickle, money can be too. Nothing in life is guaranteed, but everything you say you do, word eternal, I believe it's true. 'Cause I witness miracles, hope for tomorrow. Just like mustard seed, faith's all it takes to move mountains. And I know you never leave me alone. Your never-ending, unchanging love springs like a fountain. I'll remain in you, Lord, and all I do, I'll remain in you. 'Cause you're my shepherd, anchor, stability. You're my Alpha, Omega, stability. My El Shaddai, Adonai, everything. You're my Rapha, Jireh. Oh, you're my solid rock, all I need. All that I am, Father, stability. I'll remain in you, and all I do, remain in you.
아직 난 몰라요 우연 속에 만나지겠죠.
언제요 서두르진 않을게요.
운명을 믿어볼래요. 우린 너무 다르지만 마치
Dumelang bakgethwa, dumelang the chosen generations, dumelang ba ba kgethileng ke ntate Modimo tla o suwa therapy, ba ba kgethileng hara ditjhaba, ba ba kgethileng hara bohle. Bakgethwa ba ka, today it's Sunday and I'm just so tired. I'm from church and I'm planning to take a shower, but I'm just here to close off this vlog. As you have seen that this vlog, in most parts, I was just doing makeup, I was doing my business. So yes, if you watch up until this far, thank you so much for your love, thank you so much for consistent support, and most importantly, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you watched up until this far and you're still watching out of the club, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and be part of the chosen generation. Up until I see on the next one, because I'm planning to post 2 videos this coming week. Because I just want to join the Vlogtober vibing, Yana, so that we can see, so that maybe we can reach 600 subscribers maybe by the end of October. I don't know, because we are on 487 currently, so we only short of 13 subscribers, of which I believe interested maybe I don't know, when you guys watch this vlog, we'll be on 500 subscribers. So yes, let me just close off this vlog here so that I can open a new one for you. So we're gonna have a vlog on Wednesday and Friday. I just hope and pray that I have time to edit and capture more moments. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and most importantly, don't forget to tell your friends to tell your friends, tell your sisters to tell their sisters to subscribe, so they become a big family of the chosen generation. Please Bakhetobaka, I love you Bakhetobaka, until I see you on the next one. I'm just gonna take a shower because I'm so tired. I need to remove this makeup. Actually, I don't like this. I don't like lipstick. Bye.